as you get larger, you can't do as much and you're not supposed to be lifting as much. And sometimes I feel worthless. And one of the things that I have to adjust to, we'll talk about today, is gardening while pregnant.
Yeah.
So we're going to talk about some of that today.
I think that is going to be a great conversation for us to have. Because, even if someone isn't expecting or not planning to expect, you can use this information to connect with and, engage with your expecting friends in a way that shows that you empathize and understand. It's easy for us to get stuck in our own little worlds and think that what we're working on or what we're thinking about is what the priority is, but it's really not. Like, you know what I mean? Like, other things are happening around us.